Welcome back to another episode of Micro Lessons in MicroBlasting. My name is Robert Cuda. I'm the technical support expert at Comco. Today we're going to talk about frequently asked questions regarding the AccuFlo blaster. If you recently received a new AccuFlo and ProCenter Plus, please visit our website for a quick tutorial on how to set up the AccuFlo and ProCenter Plus. So the first question I normally get asked is, what happens when I turn the blaster on? So let's take a step back and show you how to properly turn on the blaster. So the first thing you're going to need to do is turn the power switch on. The blaster itself ships from the factory with a pressure regulator set at 0 in the lock position. To adjust the pressure regulator, you're going to turn the knob clockwise between 60 to 80 psi. So now let's show you what happens when the air enters into the AccuFlo. I've turned the blaster onto the back side of the machine to show you. The air will enter from the house air into the air inlet valve and then into the valve manifold. When the blaster is powered on, the vent pinch will actually close and press against the vent line. This is what holds the pressure in the abrasive tank. When you put your foot on the foot pedal, the air and abrasive will mix at the bottom of the abrasive tank and exit through the nozzle. Now let's go over how to use the abrasive blend knob. There are two methods to control the amount of abrasive in the airstream or richness on the AccuFlo. Significant changes, richer or leaner, should be made by changing the size of the orifice at the bottom of the abrasive tank. The abrasive blend on the front of the AccuFlo makes minor changes by reducing the intensity of each modular pulse. From the factory, it ships in the richest setting all the way clockwise until it reaches a hard stop, closing the valve. From there, making adjustments to the abrasive blend knob will only reduce abrasive flow. The first thing I will have customers check when they contact us regarding abrasive flow issues is this knob. Most times, an operator has made an adjustment, opening the valve too far, creating reduced or inconsistent abrasive flow. By closing the valve, the problem is fixed. How do we change abrasives? Let me walk you through it. The first thing you're going to need to do is power off the AccuFlo. When the pressure on the pressure gauge reaches 0, you can safely remove or unscrew the tank cover. Next, you're going to get an airtight bottle and a funnel to prevent moisture contamination. You're going to pick up the AccuFlo, dump out the used abrasive, and then with the shop vac, you're going to clean out the abrasive tank. Next, you can use the NIX abrasive that you want to use. After adding abrasive, make sure to wipe off the top surface to ensure proper seal. The cover is self-sealing. It only needs to be engaged in hand tight. There's no need to crank it down. Where are the fuses located? On the AccuFlo, they're located directly above where you plug in the power supply. So what you're going to need to do, there's a small tab you push up, and then the fuses pop out. On the ProCenter Plus, the fuses are located on the side of the fan box assembly. Using a flat-bladed screwdriver, all you're going to need to do is unscrew them. I hope this answers your questions on how to use the AccuFlo. For more information, please visit our website for more videos in micro lessons in microblasting.